I built this RGB matrix clock a while ago when I was still learning electronics. It uses an RGB matrix panel as the display. It is made of acrylic panels, and the front panel is a black diffusion sheet. It actually turned out pretty well for a first build. The only problem? It would randomly stop working every now and then. And after opening it up again, I think I know why. Please don't judge me. I genuinely can't believe this thing worked for as long as it did. So today, I am giving it the upgrade it deserves. This time, a much more modern look. Hopefully, this time it will be just as reliable as it is good looking. Come make it with me. So first thing, I designed the new case to be 3D printed. The front panel will also be 3D printed as a thin diffusion sheet. Next, I designed the PCB. I will stick to the Pico W for now and remove the RTC module as we are updating time from the internet anyway. And I upload the Gerber file onto avon.com and get the PCB manufactured seamlessly. And we got them in a couple of days. That was fast. And they are high quality and beautiful as always. Let me go ahead and add all the header pins. I will probably keep changing the layout a little bit and also maybe add more features. Let me know in the comments on what is a good feature to add to this clock and keep making.